Hi everyone, welcome to the course on solid state. So in previous video we discussed about the close packing arrangements in solid state. Close packing arrangement means when the maximum number of particles occupy minimum space, then such type of arrangement is said to be close packing arrangement. And there we discussed about close packing arrangement in one dimension and close packing arrangement in two dimension, and also come to know the term coordination number. So coordination number means the number of nearest neighboring atoms surrounded to each constituent particle is said to be coordination number. And you have seen what is the coordination number in case of close packing arrangement in one dimension, and what is the coordination number in close packing arrangement of two dimension. Where in close packing arrangement in two dimension we have observed two ways of arranging in two dimensions. Those are square close packing arrangement and hexagonal close packing arrangement. And which type of arrangement you will observe there, and what would be the coordination number in square close packing and in hexagonal close packing, that you have already learnt. Now in today's video we will focus on close packing arrangement in three dimension. Close packing arrangement in three dimension. As you already know, the crystals have three-dimensional structure, means the particles in the crystals, they are arranged in three-dimensional space. Now, how they are arranged in three-dimensional space? In order to form the three-dimensional structure, we have learnt one-dimensional arrangement. By using one-dimensional arrangement, we will form two-dimensional arrangement. And now by using two-dimensional arrangement we will form three-dimensional arrangement of particles. Let us consider the first type of arrangement, that is square close packed layers. Okay, by using square close packed layers we will form three-dimensional structure. So in square close packed structure, how the particles are arranged? You can arrange the particles in this manner in case of square close packing. This is the square close packing in how many dimensions? Two dimensions. Square close packing in two-dimensional arrangement. Now, by using this type of layers, we will form three-dimensional structure. Okay, means taking these kind of layers, we will place one on another in order to form the three-dimensional structure. And when we arrange these square closed packed layers on one another, we will get the structure like this. This is how the structure will be formed by using square close packed layers. And in this type of arrangement will be, so if I consider this one as the first layer, okay, the second layer is also same, and hence if I name it as A, then the second layer is also known as A. The third layer will also be A, fourth layer will also be A. So this type of arrangement is said to be AAA type of arrangement. AAA type arrangement. That means when we form a three-dimensional structure of a crystal by using square close packed layers. In such condition, we will get the AAA type of arrangement. And what would be the coordination number here? The coordination number in this case will be 6. The coordination number would be 6 because each constituent particle is surrounded by 6 neighboring atoms, and hence the coordination number will be 6. And another thing, here when we join the centers of these constituent particles, then we will get a cube. Okay, the simple cube will be formed when we use when we join the centers of these spheres, and hence this kind of structure will be said to be simple cubic structure or simple cube. A simple cube will be formed upon forming the three-dimensional arrangement by using square close packed layers. So remember, in this kind of arrangement, the type of arrangement will be AAA type and the coordination number would be 6, and the structure formed will be simple cubic structure. So this is all about three-dimensional arrangement by using square close packed layers. The another way to arrange or to form the three-dimensional structure will be by using hexagonal close packed layers. So in first case we have seen by using square close packed layers how we form three-dimensional structure, and now by using hexagonal close packed layers how we form the three-dimensional structure. First of all, consider the hexagonal close packed. So this is how we will arrange the hexagonal close packing in 2 dimension. Now by using this kind of layers we will form the 3-dimensional structure. Now what we will do is, here on this, okay, we will place, how you place the particles in a 3-dimensional structure, hexagonal close packing, you have to keep the particles on the depressions of the first layer. That is, depressions means this empty space, okay, whatever the empty space that you are observing, on this empty space you have to place the second layer, okay. These empty spaces are said to be voids, okay. The empty spaces which are present between the particles are said to be voids, okay. Now the second layer should be placed on these voids. So this is how we will arrange or we will place the second layer on the first layer, okay. You might get confused here, but don't worry, I will play one video at the end of this explanation, so you can go through that video, then you will come to know how the 3-dimensional arrangement will take place in case of hexagonal close packed ring, okay. And here the voids are formed, and 2 types of voids formed here. Those 2 types of voids are tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. ovoids. These are the two types of ovoids which are obtained during this arrangement. Ovoids means these are the empty spaces which are present between the particles. Okay, and here you will get two types of ovoids. Those are tetrahedral ovoids and octahedral ovoids. And another thing is, if the number of particles present in the crystal is n, number of particles, if it is equal to n, then the number of tetrahedral ovoids formed will be 2n, and number of octahedral ovoids formed will be n. That means if the number of particles in a crystal is 6, suppose the number of particles in crystal is 6, then the number of tetrahedral ovoids formed will be 2 into n. N means 6. So 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 12 tetrahedral ovoids will be formed. And if the number of octahedral ovoids is equal to n, that means 6 octahedral ovoids are formed, because number of octahedral ovoids formed is equal to number of particles. Therefore, total number of ovoids in a crystal will be how much? N plus 2n, tetrahedral ovoids plus octahedral ovoids. Okay, n plus 2n, that is equal to 3n. That means totally 18 ovoids gets formed. Okay, it depends upon the number of particles. Based on that, we can calculate the number of tetrahedral ovoids and number of octahedral ovoids. Now next, as we have placed two layers of hexagonal close packing, now we have to place the third layer in that arrangement. Now upon placing the second layer, we have obtained two types of ovoids. Those are tetrahedral ovoids and octahedral ovoids. Now before placing the third layer, we can place the third layer by two ways, or in two ways we can place the third layer. One is by covering tetrahedral ovoids, and another one is by covering octahedral ovoids. First we will see what happens if we place the third layer by covering tetrahedral ovoids. Now in this case, when we place, the structure that would be formed is hexagonal close packed structure. Okay, hexagonal close packed structure will be obtained, that is HCP. Again you obtain HCP when we place the third layer by covering tetrahedral ovoids. But remember, this HCP is having three-dimensional structure, and here the arrangement that is obtained will be AB type of arrangement. AB type of arrangement will be obtained in case of three-dimensional hexagonal close packed structure, and the coordination number would be 12. The coordination number is 12. So this much you have to remember, okay, because it is quite important for examination. Okay, what is the coordination number and type of arrangement obtained when you place the third layer by covering tetrahedral ovoids? If they ask, you have to write these things. Okay, the next is by covering octahedral ovoids. So in this case, the structure that is obtained will be cubic close packed structure, cubic close packed structure, okay, which is said to be CCP, or also this one is said to be FCC, face centered cubic structure is formed. CCP or FCC structure will be formed. Both are same. And here the type of arrangement obtained will be ABC type of arrangement is obtained. And the coordination number, here also it is 12. The coordination number in case of 3-dimensional HCP is also 12, and the coordination number in case of cubic close packed structure is also 12. Okay, this is all about the close packing arrangement in 3 dimension. You have to remember the coordination number and the type of arrangement and the structure that you obtain during these kinds of arrangement. It may be 1-dimensional arrangement, 2-dimensional arrangement, or 3-dimensional arrangement.